On this episode of Shepherd's Garage, can I make air shocks out of these two footballs? Okay, I'll get the thing jacked up. I want to take the pressure off the springs. I want them extended as far as they can so it's easier to stuff those in. Okay, we got the tension off those springs. Okay, I'm now lying under this thing. Oh, there's ice falling on me. Oh, don't drive these things in the winter because you end up with that. Okay, we got the suspension unloaded and I took all the air out of these footballs. I'm gonna jam them in here. And hopefully the springs aren't too long. Like these might not be tall enough. If that's the case, I might have to like shim it up with a piece of wood or something like that. Come on, get in there. Okay, that one's in. Let's move on to the other side. Get this side in quick before the ice starts falling on me again. Make sure when you do this, the spot where you put air in these, make sure it's accessible whenever you're done. Makes it a lot easier. Okay, I'm gonna try and get some air in these. All I have is this little 12-volt tire inflator that has an attachment to this. See if I can get it in here. Where's the on button? Oh, it's going. Okay, that's like 15 psi, close to 20. She's pretty firm, like 15 to 20 psi. There's quite a bit of space at the top of the spring. I'm not sure if it's gonna do anything. We'll have to lower it down and see. I'll get the other side inflated and then we'll lower it down. Well, I got the other side lowered down. Let's do the final reveal. Hopefully they're tall enough. Come on. Oh, they might not be tall enough. Let's just see how they're sitting under there. Yeah, she's not really much taller. Those footballs just aren't quite long enough. I'm gonna have to use a piece of wood or something like that just to shim it up a little bit so that they'll hold her up. Okay, I got these, they're like a piece of 1x2 wood. I cut them off so they're just a little longer than what the springs are wide. I took some hockey tape, taped them together. I'm gonna put them above the football in the spring and try to zip tie it to the coil on either side so they can't really come out. And then the football inside the spring will ride on the bottom of this instead of having to hit the very top of where the spring sits. It'll ride a little lower. Let's get them in. Okay, I got those pieces above the footballs. Let's pray that this is at least an inch or two taller in the back. Oh, it's taller. It's definitely taller. It's like 2-3 inches taller probably. Here's the ride height before footballs. This is after the footballs. I think probably gained a good 2 inches. This fender it laid right on this tire, pretty close. It's not quite as tall as I was hoping. We could probably shim it some more. But the other thing that'll be nice is the suspension is really soft in this. Those will definitely stiffen it up a little bit. It might feel better. I'm not sure if this is gonna last or not, but I'd like to try. The other thing, a little freebie, is if you want free line lock, you just take vice grips and pinch the rear flex hose off, and then you only have front brakes, so you can do burnouts all you want. Now that we have our line lock and our air shocks installed for less than like 10 bucks, I'm gonna see if this thing will do a bit of a garage burnout. Hoping tomorrow I'm gonna take it out for a rip and we'll do some real burnouts. I just wanna see if the line lock makes any difference. Before this thing, it doesn't make any power till 3000 because it's got a big cam in it and the gearing's terrible. It's got highway gears. I wanna see if not having the rear brakes will allow me to do big smoky burnouts. It's safe to say that the line lock definitely works. Okay, it's a new day. We're gonna take this thing out for a rip and see if we can do a little burnout somewhere and not get arrested. Yeah, let's cold start this thing and we'll get on the road. All right, we're on a back road. Do a little smoker here. That was sick.